Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to file self-employed tax return ATO. If you are self-employed in Australia, you must report your business income and expenses through your MyGov account linked to the Australian Taxation Office. First, log in and start your individual tax return for the correct financial year. Go to the business or sole trader section and enter your total income earned from your work, including all client payments and invoices. Next, add your business expenses, such as equipment, travel, software, or home office costs, making sure every claim is supported by records. Calculate your net income carefully, as this is what will be taxed. If you were registered for GST, include those details as well. Double-check all figures for accuracy before moving forward. Once everything is complete, submit your return online. After submission, the ATO will process it and you can track your refund or tax outcome through your MyGov account. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.